Hi everyone, I'm Karan, co-founder of Cosmos. I want to take you through a 30-second intro of Cosmos. Very quick one. Once you click the link of one of the Cosmos links, you would come to the landing page of the office. On this page, you would first, if you're visiting Cosmos for the first time, you would see the permission prompts. Over here, Cosmos would like to have your permission for your microphone and camera. You can press allow. If by mistake you haven't given the allow permission, you can press on this lock and turn the permissions back on. So that's the permissions. Then you should be able to see yourself in the right hand side of the landing page. You can mute yourself. You can mute the camera if you like to. If one of the devices for you is not right, please go to the device settings. Over here in the drop downs, you can choose the camera you'd like to use and the microphone you'd like to use. Once you've made these changes, you can just close this overlay and come back to the main page. Now on this main page, you see the main button, which is the enter lobby. That will take you to the entry of your Cosmos office, or you'd see all the rooms in the office, and you could directly jump in any of the rooms by pressing the join button. For now, let's go to the enter lobby button. Once you're inside your Cosmos office, you see a rich virtual environment, which is your office, which you and your colleagues can personalize. But let's start with the basics. You would see your video in the top. If you press on your name over here, you could actually change or edit your name. I'll just say with Karan with the capital K. You could pick one of the avatars. You could even create one of your personalized avatars, and you have a lot of options to personalize from. For now, I would just stick with one of my avatars in which I have a weird nose and save it. So once I do that, I get the new avatar. Now, this avatar is your representation in the virtual office. You can move yourself by taking your cursor and clicking anywhere on the floor, and you will fly there. As you see, I'm moving myself. The other way to move yourself is by clicking the arrow keys on your keyboard, the up, left, down, and right key. You could just press that key and you'd move, as you'd move in any games you'd play as a kid. Now, with your avatar, you see this white box around yourself. If you take your avatar closer to others and this box overlaps, is then when you start to talk to others. So I'll demonstrate this by walking up to two of my colleagues who are in the center of the office. Now over here, I'm just walking up to my friends, Rahul, Indy, and Ankit, and I can start to see them. Now if I walk away, I'll stop seeing them. If I walk back, I'll start seeing them again. So you can do this in your office and talk to your colleagues. Bye guys, thanks for the demo. Now, I'd like to show you one other thing before we wrap. So in the Cosmos office, you can talk to people who are co-working on the desks, and you can also go do meetings in meeting rooms. Now I shall walk into the meeting room and demonstrate the features. So now when I'm in the meeting room, I see all my colleagues, and regardless of where I am, I'll be able to see them. Hello, Kapil and Charit. And once I step out, I'll stop to see them. So this is how Cosmos works. One last thing before I wrap up. In a meeting room, if you want to have a Zoom-like experience, you just press the gallery view button on the top right, and you see video tiles the way you would expect in Zoom and Google Meets. If you press map, you come back to the immersive view of Cosmos. Thanks a lot, and I shall have a few more video series for you.